Oh my God.
That's a large.
You're gonna have to explain again what these shirts represent.
All right, so, all right, guys. A lot of us understand what the prison system has done to our communities. A lot of us, even if we haven't been in the prison system, we know someone who's been affected by it. My father was in the prison system. I was in the foster system. So this shirt was drawn by an artist who was incarcerated. I gave this shirt to Marisol last time.
So pretty.
On the back, Reparation movement, inmates paying back society through art. What makes it really cool is we work with selective artists in prison. We don't work with child molesters, no murderers, no rapists. We try to find quality people who messed up, just like any of us could. What makes it really, really cool is every artist who donates a drawing also has their handwritten biography in it. So, all right here, we will not promote gang violence, hate crimes, or negative messages. Please tell me what we can learn from you. And most importantly, tell us what your story was like. So we give the artist magazines, books, shoes, food packages, and they give us this thing right here to raise money for charity. My main goal is to raise money for kids in the foster system, but I'm not stuck. I don't want to just focus on that, but you guys understand how valuable and how important that is. Kids in the system need help. So I brought a bunch of larges, a bunch of mediums, and some extra larges. And I guess let's just dive in. However you guys can see fit to find a size that works. So I don't know who wants.
I feel an initial shock.
You have a small.
Yeah, I do have a small. I might not have the one you I have a lot of different kinds and styles, but I just try to bring them a different color. So we're here to do some poetry, so let's try to make it special, but make it quick so we can not take away from the objective tonight. All right, so what size are you, Mac?
I'm small.
You're a small. All right, remember I talked to you on Instagram. Yeah. You said a small and medium. All right, so that's a medium. It's a little.
Oh, that works.
It's a little.
That's
you know.
good. Yeah,
But then I got some. I got this in the medium. And then I got the large in the medium.
Right?
So that's what I got in the medium. Right?
I'll do this one.
All right. Badass.
Thank you.
What about you?
I'm a large.
You're a large. I got this in the large. I got this in the large. I got this rabbit one in the large. Just a little punk rock.
Daddy.
Here's another large. I got a couple of those actually. This is a large. I got an alley cat in a large. So I just need you to pick which one you want.
I'll take the alley cat one.
All right. There's no inmate bio in that. That one's just my music team. It just says alley cat. So if you want to grab another one just so you have the bio thing.
Yeah, I want to get the bio. Can I
That's
switch?
Yeah, take them both.
Okay, thank you. Wow, thank you.
All right, who's next? I ain't trying to limit. Like, I do.
Yes. The one that says large. I don't know what it says, but.
Yes. It says, it's actually lyrics from one of my songs. It says, I love America, I just hate the people who wasted it.
I like
And I think we can all relate to that. You know?
Oh, wow.
So those are lyrics to my song I just put out. All right, cool. I'm going for whoever's.
Can I get a blue one in large?
The blue, this blue?
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you.
Badass. All right, small.
What do you have in the small?
That's a medium.
It's the same thing,
That's a large. So I got one of those in the small.
Too small. Not
I got two of them in the small. I got one of the birds in the small.
Oh yeah, that one's pretty. We match.
There you go. All right. Anyone else?
What's the beige one?
The beige one. That one's kind of gangster.
I still like it, but.
Yeah, that one's a little gangster, but I mean that's yeah. I have more. I just didn't know what to grab, guys.
Can I actually have that one?
Yeah. Cool.
Look at that. I love America one in large.
All right.
I like light.
Thank you.
Cool, bro.
Appreciate it.
I appreciate you.
You got the rabbit medium?
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Cool. How about you, bro?
I'm a large.
I remember I talked to you last time. I brought large for you. All right, so I got that in the large.
I'll take that one.
There you go.
Oh, we match too.
You got the- okay.
Thank you.
Everyone got something?
Yeah,
That was really beautiful.
All right, guys.
Have you need one?
I got one.
Oh, that's so cool.
He's the key to this whole.
That's so cool.
Hey, Monty, so before the night's over, you think we can get like a picture of us together?
Absolutely. I just wish I had my shirt. I meant to bring it.
What?
I'm still stuck at work clothes.
Me too, actually.
Well, I got some options. I got
What do you have an extra large?
Medium, and I got an extra. There you go.
It's the same one. I wouldn't want to do that twice. I would feel bad. Like I would feel like I'm taking from you.
I got a rabbit in large. I got some rabbits in large. That's a little aggressive. But a lot of people like it, but it's not.
It's awesome, but it definitely doesn't represent my voice.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah.
And I don't know if I got anything.
That's okay. I will definitely, what I'll do is I'll wear my jacket today because I have, you know, the aim, because I'm literally in my work.
Maybe just hold it up.
I can hold it up. I would definitely recommend it. I definitely want, I mean, I wore it to work. And, hey, Ronnie.
I was gonna say this is a small, but it might still drip on me.
Give it to him.
Have him hold it up.
I have so many
Hold it
compliments.
up, no, hold it up. Let me see that. Oh, come on in here, bro.
Ronnie.
Ronnie, I'm
So
probably
we're gonna go
out
ahead and get started.
I like black. I don't know large.
But this was really special and
So
really
this is,
incredible.
I got the rabbit in the black.
I'll do the rabbit again. You gotta open another one. That's automatic.
Then you got the bottle on the inside.
Do you have a website or a brochure?
I have everything's online.
Everything's on the card. Okay.
And yeah, everything's on the card.
Do you have any more small?
Because I'd like to actually buy a few more.
I got that in the small.
Do you have the big one in the small?
Not that one. I have this one. The rabbit in the medium. I'll be back next Tuesday.
Sure? Yeah. I think I should prefer this in the medium.
I think I have some more of those on the medium. I'm pretty much running out of medium. So
I appreciate it. I got you.
Hey, this was a gift, bro. This wasn't nothing
No,
mine.
but I need a donation. I need a donation when I can.
All right, cool, man. What you said last week was so powerful.
Thanks, man. I appreciate
That was worth it alone. All right, let's get this poetry thing going.
All right.
Thank you,
So
everybody.
I wanted to say thank you and acknowledge that was so incredible. And oh yeah, I'll definitely rep. Hold on. I had so many compliments at the school, and I got to show like.